Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you guys how to find the perfect type of glue to glue any type of material to another type of material. And this resource is a website that I'm going to show you in just a second. But in this example, I glued rubber onto a piece of wood, did an inverted engraving, and made a stamp here for Fresh Start Customs. But the website you want to go to is called thistothat.com. As you can see, there are some ads that will pop up that I had to close out of, but overall this is an amazing resource and it's kind of like a hidden gem within the community. If you're looking for a specific type of glue that will work for the material you're working with. So in this example, we're gluing rubber to wood, and then we're going to click Let's Glue, and it's going to show you the recommended glue for that material here. Another thing would be like if you would be creating some kind of metal artwork and putting like leather straps around it, you can select like leather and click Let's Glue. Right here is the recommendation that it has. It'll also give you like other recommendations listed down below, what they recommend as well. But you can just kind of go on and on. So if you want like acrylic, I'm assuming they have that listed under plastic here, and you're gonna glue it to wood. Let's check out that. So as you can see, it has many different options here, and then it also recommends how to prep it and get it ready, and the clamping that would be involved as well. But overall, I know this is a super short video, but this is a super cool website that'll help you glue any item to another item here. And I get questions all the time about what type of glue I recommend. And this website has done all the work for you. So you can literally select from any type of material, glue it to another type of material, and it'll do all of the recommendations for you there. Other than that, I hope you guys found this as a cool resource. And if you're the creator of this website, thank you again for doing this for the community. Go ahead and support him and show him some love down in the comments below as well. If you guys have any questions, like always, leave them down in the comments and I'll try to answer what I can. And we'll see you guys in the next one.